600 feet down. That's just crazy. At least this one has railing. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. That's crazy, the swirls in it, and then there's like little cutaways, little caves, and people still work the land down there. Imagine that was filled up with water. That's a lot of freaking water. Ain't no water now. Where'd it go? Had to have gone somewhere. You don't hear about any place that has this much water that flooded it out. But where did this water go? Oh yeah, look down that crack. Wow. Damn. Check out that sheer flat face of that rock or whatever mountain. Let's climb that. The cool thing is, there ain't nobody here today. Monday, I'm the only one cruising around. There's a few people, but so far, it's like only me. That's got to be the ruins right there, the White House ruins. See if I can zoom in. I think that's where the ruins are. All those dots are where the aliens landed. The mothership is the big one, and then the little satellite ships are like, that's where they landed. Place is way too cool.